Hey guys, MartyBoots here. So the market has been absolutely crushed, and we call this up here in our group. We call for a short above this previous candle. Oh, I forgot all this stuff was on it. Let me just hide all that. So we called for that up in here for the short. Now the market has been totally crushed. There was a number of signals telling us that this was going to go down. We posted a video in our Telegram channel, in our Crypto Check Telegram channel, about the reasons why this market could top out. But what I want to show you guys is, I'm going to keep this short. Um, a lot of people might not have monthly, 3 months, 6 month charts, so I just want to show you and show you the importance of this rejection here on a 3 month basis. Now we have another month to go, but this is a nasty rejection, and could quite potentially be the top of the market, for a number of reasons. I did show you the monthly rejection there also. Look at this monthly rejection. You know, honestly, the target of this. Let me just delete that. The target of this move, guys, believe it or not, could actually be. I'll do this. God, I can get this bloody right here. Okay, right into that 200 moving average. This is where I think we are headed now. Depending on the time, um, this is your first target. So you want to be looking for shorts to the downside, in my opinion. Now, don't get me wrong, this will have a bounce, um, but I think the stock market is moving towards and gearing towards this red 200 moving average. Okay, now look at this for a 6 month chart, guys. A 6 month chart. Now, also take note, a 6 month bearish divergence. Okay, definitely important to note. Bearish divergence there. You know, the price has gone higher. Price go higher, the indicator going lower. Okay. Now the other thing is, look at this rejection, guys. This is a serious rejection. Don't get me wrong. We've had a rejection like this before, and price has fought its way back up. Now let me show you why this possibly could be different. You can see when we get massive rejections like this was in the year 2000. Okay, we had a strong move up, implying that this was just a pullback because the move is so strong. I could almost throw a fib on that for you from here to here, and you can see we basically come back into the golden pocket between the 50 and 61%. This strong move up told us that this would be just a retrace and we would have another bounce to test the highs, and that is exactly what happened. The markets are pretty easy to read, guys, when you understand them. And we came right back up here for a double top. Double top held, and we sold off. And what happened? Yeah, we pierced the lows flawlessly. Absolutely flawlessly pierced the lows. And look at this pierce. And then we continued higher, guys. Like this, opportunities like this, and opportunities like this double top. Okay, and even this retrace. They're life-changing opportunities, guys. They're absolutely life-changing opportunities because on a there's a 6 month chart. I don't know why TradingView has. Oh, you can see this here now. Actually, yeah, 6 month chart. Sorry. So, like when you understand that this should be a pullback, and you start buying and loading up on stocks down in this area on options on whatever way you like to trade the market, and also on here, and even shorting into this double top. Okay, look at the double top. Look at the pierce. Look at this pierce of the previous highs, and then we shorted. Guys, these things are what dreams are made of. Now the other thing is this, because of the strength of this move, guys. Okay, what happened right here? The strength of this move. Okay, what happened? We pulled back into the golden pocket. Right. It wasn't the exact low, but look at this. If you're buying down on here and loading up, there was a spike lower, of course, but look at the bounce. Now, what's going to happen here? And I have one more chart to show you after this, one very important chart. Okay, and this it's a yearly chart, guys. It's a yearly chart, and it's a pretty unbelievable chart. Now look at this. This is where we are possibly going. Now, if I go back to the daily chart and I draw the, sorry, I meant to say the monthly chart. Okay, and I said that we are going to hit the red 200 moving average. Okay, so we are coming up here. Okay, we're gonna do something like that. Now, depending on the time frame, because you can see here that's 2025. It's not going to take 5 years for this market to top out. We are going to drop. The market likes to drop a lot quicker. Look at this drop. Oh, sorry, don't mind that arrow. Look at the drop and look at the drop. The drops happen fairly quickly. So we are most likely going to have a bit of a bounce, and we're going to probably trend down somewhere like this. Okay? And we are going to hit right in here, a pierce of this 200 monthly moving average, guys, into the 2000 level. Okay? That is the major level on this chart. And this is where the market is going, in my opinion. You need to buy. The life-changing opportunity, guys, is when we pierce this red 200 moving average. When we get below that or touch that anywhere around there, this is when you need to be on guard and buying stocks for life-changing opportunities. Okay, so you have patience and save this chart, guys. Save this chart and take a screenshot of this and get back to me in 3 years' time, and tell me, that this will be your life-changing opportunity. If you need to save money for 3 years to be able to buy this dip, then that's what you got to do. If you want to really change your life, because in my opinion, this is exactly what's happening. And I don't know how many people are going to be telling you this right now, but we've seen this over and over again. And I've seen this in the stock market. I've seen this in the crypto market. I've seen this in the Forex market. I've seen this in gold, commodities. It happens over and over and over again. So, guys, I've been staring at charts for 13 years. And, people might think that's boring, but, when you can see these opportunities presenting themselves, it gets pretty exciting. So the last chart, guys, I promised you. And guys, don't forget to take the 3-day free trial down below. We cover all markets, whatever the members want, we can cover. I've been trading for 13 years, so I can help you out in any market you want. But we are mainly a crypto based group, Crypto Check, and we have lots of fantastic members on there. Some really smart, intelligent people and good traders at that. And everybody's improving every single day. You can just see that. And our goal is to create a group of super traders. That is my ultimate goal. I just want everybody to understand the markets and be able to help each other and place trades, and and the more good eyes on the charts, guys, the more money we all make. So it's in my best interest and to provide everybody with enough information to become good traders. And hopefully we all benefit from that. We are one good solid team, and that's how we are going to succeed. So anyway, if you'd like to join us in there, take the 3-day free trial and check us out. Guys, lastly, look at this rejection on a yearly chart. Now, it's a very interesting rejection, because the thing is, this candle is huge, guys. This is a monster candle, but it could be a capitulation top. Now, this we will not know until maybe the year is finished or what. There is a possibility we could actually reject this and come the whole way down to here by the end of the year, right? And from there we would have a small bounce, and then we would reject on down, and we would come down, and we would have a stair step down, and you can see that the pullbacks are normally only three yearly candles deep is a large pullback. The financial crisis, guys, was a 1 year drop. Okay, so I do suspect we'll get more than a 1 year drop this time, but time will tell. If the financial crisis can be a 1 year drop, guys, what is going to happen if we have a 3 to 5 year drop? Guys, the world is going to be in turmoil, and we could come back down to this level right down in here. Let me clear that. If we come back down there, that could be a 3 to 5 year drop or whatever. The world will be in turmoil, and there will be so much opportunity in the market. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. 10 minutes. It ran on longer than I anticipated, but that's it. Don't forget to take the 3 day free trial, guys, and I might see you in the group. Hit us up in the group and ask questions and see what we're all about. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.